This is Buckos Math GD Prep number 1, question number 1. And here we have an equation. We got to plug in a variable, the value of a variable, and it's telling us that wherever you see A, you're going to put in a -4. And it wants us to evaluate that. We got to come up with a number on the end of that. So we're A to the third power, or A cubed. That means this. Means 3a's multiplied, and we said a is -4, so we just put -4 in there 3 times and multiply it. Put a little parentheses in there for good measure. Now we're going to add 2 times the quantity a, so we write 2, and a little dot for multiplication. And a is -4 again. Put that in parentheses so we don't get all confused. And then we're going to add 4 to that whole shooting match. Draw our fraction bar and do the same thing with a squared. Be a -4 times a -4. And then we're going to add 18 to it. Now we can notice all the variables are gone here in this step. And we just have to evaluate that. And the first thing we want to do is clear these parentheses and with multiplication and division, and we're going to add, subtract last. Remember the order of operation, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So parentheses we're going to do. Negative times a negative times a negative is indeed going to be a negative. And 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 more is 64. And then we're going to add, it's a copy, and we're going to do what's inside the parentheses here. 2 times a -4 is going to be a -8. And then we're going to add 4 at the end. Draw our fraction bar, and we're going to do what it tells us to do down here. So -4 times a -4 is going to be a positive 16. And then we're going to add 18 to that. We're going to do what's on the top, what's on the bottom, and divide the top by the bottom, as you do in all fractions. And you can cut for now.